the Red Wings 3343 copper rough and tough leather Blacksmiths with a 270 Goodyear welt, waxed black laces, black eyelets at the bottom, brass at the top, brown piping at the top, wrapping around the heel and around the leg feels real nice with that piping. As we work our way inside, these were listed as new. As you can see, no footprint. Always go by if there's a footprint, if it's how used or not, but these were listed new, so just to verify. Inside, a little bit of that nice unfinished leather inside. Again, that brown piping feels nice against the legs versus straight leather, which is okay over time, but out of the box, that piping is a nice option. Going around the back here, as you can see, the 270 degree does not continue around the heel. That's where they keep it nice and slim. So this nice back strap kind of going right vertically, double stitched along both sides, up and down, meeting the brown piping at the top there. Just real nice and slick as we head outside, matching them with some gray pants. Just to kind of have that contrast. Got that triple stitch looking at you right now with that round toe.
6
Blacksmith. You have that Vibro Mini Lux sole on the bottom. The leather is pretty tight as you kind of have them out of the box, obviously. So I'm feeling that now. But over time, obviously, this will get nice and loose, soft, molded to your foot. Going up and down the stairs, nice movement with those black eyelets, those waxed laces, round toe. Just looking real nice.